Hi, I'm Jason Lemkin, co-founder and CEO of EchoSign. We're extremely excited to be a WebEx Connect partner. And what we do is automate one of the most omnipresent pain points in business, which is getting contracts signed, tracked, and filed in one click. And we really think we've cracked the code here. We've got over 150,000 users of our product now, and over 500 paying customers, including leaders like BT, GE, PayPal, Rite Aid, and hundreds of others. And literally hundreds of SMB customers across the world. We're excited about WebEx Connect for a variety of reasons. One, at a high level, WebEx is just the online leader in SMBs. With over 2 million paid customers in the space, there's no one that has a bigger and better footprint in SMBs across the web. Nobody. And we're excited to be a part of that in general. WebEx Connect in particular is pretty interesting for our product. We can leverage some of the best things in widgets and collaboration around WebEx Connect to do something pretty neat, which is get signatures and contract management everywhere. So at the beginning, for example, we leverage some of the unique single sign-on in WebEx Connect. So in one click, literally, you're ready to get a signature, either electronically or by fax. Either way, whatever works for your business. Those contracts go out, they're signed in seconds electronically or minutes by fax, and they're automatically routed back into EchoSign and into the WebEx Connect widget. That's pretty exciting, and across our entire user base, in the first 9 months of this year, their average quote-to-close time was brought down from over a week to about 38 minutes, so that'll be pretty neat. But what we're particularly excited is ways to further integrate this using the WebEx Connect infrastructure and client. Integration overall has been a key theme for EchoSign. For example, we're natively integrated into Zoho Writer, we're deeply integrated into Salesforce.com, we're integrated into other partners like Rocket Lawyer, Upside. Basically, we want to be wherever you want to get a signature or get a contract executed. And there are a lot of neat partners in WebEx Connect, and will enable us to integrate seamlessly with them. And you'll see a few coming in the very first group of WebEx Connect widgets, and more to come. But basically, anywhere where a contract starts or ends, we want to be integrated through that process. And at a higher level, what I see much of WebEx being about is a sales tool just like EchoSign. So typically, you'll start tracking a deal in a CRM system like Salesforce. You'll work a deal in something like WebEx. You'll be interacting with your customers. That's how we close our customers. And then you need a way to close it, which is EchoSign. So we're partnering with really the greatest online leader in turbocharging web-based sales, and we're excited about it. So again, mashups, broadly speaking, is probably the reason we're most excited about WebEx Connect. Let me give you an example of how it might be used, just in the typical sales process that basically every SMB goes through. So I've got a contract. I'm collaborating with my customer in real time. I'm doing a WebEx. I'm pitching the customer. I'm showing them my product, and I'm sending them out the contract for email. What I want to do is get that customer closed as fast as I can. I do have competition. I've got quite a bit of competition. And if I can get that customer closed right now while they're excited, I'm going to make a lot more money. I collaborate with my team. I go out. I can see through presence, through WebEx Connect, that my boss or my sales manager is right there, available immediately. I shoot him an IM. I get approval for that contract. And I've still got my customer right there in the middle of the WebEx. I click Get a e-signature. Bam, 60 seconds later, the customer has signed the deal. It's a perfect example of the power of mashups of collaboration, presence, team, approvals, and combining all of that to simply turbocharge the sales process. And you can do that without mashups, but it's a heck of a lot more work. How do I get that approval? How do I get that feedback? How do I work with my customer, my boss, sales ops, everyone at the same time? It's complicated. And ultimately, all of this stuff, all business software about, is making money or making more money. And you want to turbocharge that sales process, and that's what we're all about. And best-of-breed companies can use EchoSign today to bring down that quote-to-close process literally to minutes, and take more friction out of the process, leverage approvals, leverage collaboration, mash up these best-of-breed products, and you're going to knock it out of the park for your business. So again, Jason Lemkin, co-founder and CEO of EchoSign. Really appreciate you watching. You can use EchoSign 5 times for free. So literally just put it into your Connect space, click Get a Signature, and you're off. 60 seconds later, you'll have a contract signed and you'll have more revenue in the bank. Thank you very much.